Who are the sons of God mentioned in Deuteronomy 32 verse 8? This text is often used as a proof of a polytheistic view of the early Israelites. Deuteronomy 32 verse 8 reads according to the English Standard Version. When the Most High gave to the nations their inheritance, when he divided mankind, he fixed the borders of the peoples according to the number of the sons of God. Some scholars interpret this as referring to a divine council, with the Most High presiding over other spiritual beings. When the nations were divided, God assigned them to the rulership of the members of his divine council, to spirit beings who would reign over the peoples. This raises the question: did the ancient Israelites really hold polytheistic beliefs? Most of the Bible translation use sons of Israel, like the Masoretic text. But the Dead Sea Scrolls and older Hebrew text use sons of God. According to New American Standard Bible, Deuteronomy 32 verse 8 says last part, according to the number of the sons of Israel. The argument is made that the Masoretic text was modified to sons of Israel by later Jewish scribes to downplay the earlier polytheistic view and emphasize monotheism. Deuteronomy 32 is a cohesive song, meant to be viewed as a unified composition in its entirety. What does the context of Deuteronomy say about the sons of God? Consider what Deuteronomy 32 verse 19 says according to the English Standard Version. The Lord saw it and spurned them, because of the provocation of his sons and his daughters. Or Deuteronomy 32 verse 20. Sons in whom there is no faithfulness. According to New American Standard Bible, these passages clearly identify the sons as the Israelites. This evidence shows that the sons of God are not spirit beings, but are actually God's chosen people, the Israelites. The immediate context of Deuteronomy 32 portrays the sons of God as referring to the Israelites. Deuteronomy 14 verse 1 also addresses the Israelites as sons of God. According to Literal Standard Version, it says, "You are sons of your God, YHWH." This text also clearly identifies the Israelites as sons of God. Thus, it is understandable that many Bible translations use the phrase sons of Israel. The discussion has shown that Deuteronomy identifies the sons of God as the Israelites. There is no divine assembly or divine council. The text of Deuteronomy 32 verse 8 indicates that when the Most High divided the nations, he had already the nation Israel in mind, and therefore had already designated a land for the Israelites. Another aspect of Deuteronomy 32 verse 8 is often cited as evidence of the Israelites' polytheistic beliefs, which says, when the Most High gave to the nations their inheritance. And verse 9, for Jehovah's portion is his people. According to American Standard Version, it is understood that two distinct gods are mentioned here, the Most High and Jehovah. Please note what Deuteronomy 32 verse 39 says according to New American Standard Bible. See now that I am he, and there is no God besides me. The phrase, when God says there is no one besides me, typically refers to the idea of monotheism, the belief that there is only one God. Therefore, the Most High and Jehovah must be one and the same God. There is no polytheistic view of the early Israelites. In summary, the phrase sons of God does not refer to a divine assembly, rather refers to the Israelites. The Most High and Jehovah are the same God.